Hi Tube, I'm Jack, surgical trainee in the UK. Recently, a friend asked me why, when they put earphones in their ears, they start to cough and gag. I'll assume that wasn't just a comment on the quality of modern music, but that's the subject of today's ENT Bite. I will also note this does apply to when other things get put in the ears, but let's make one thing clear: you must not put cotton buds or Q-tips in your ears. Disclaimer, this is not medical advice, this is for information only. Let's go. Essentially, when you insert something like an earphone into the ear, it touches the skin of the ear canal. Your brain is informed that this has happened because there are electrical signals carried from the ear canal to the brain through what's known as Arnold's nerve, and this was not named after the former bodybuilder, actor, governor of California. A different nerve that is involved in making you cough is known as the vagus nerve, and it turns out Arnold's nerve is a branch of the vagus. In some people, Arnold's nerve forms part of the ear cough reflex, where signals from the ear canal are transmitted down Arnold's nerve, they bypass the brain, and then they travel down to the muscles that are involved in coughing. As you know, a reflex is an involuntary action whereby the nerves bypass the brain, which makes it quicker. So that's today's explanation of the ear cough reflex. Thanks for listening, everyone. Tune in next time.